Hi, this is Rick Sherman, owner of R&R Auto Truck Repair. We've been serving the city of Shasta Lake and the surrounding communities since 1983. We offer many services, including brakes, tune-up, electrical diagnosis, air conditioning repair, and computer diagnostic repair. We are dedicated to the maintenance and repair of your vehicle. For peace of mind driving, please come see us. We work on all vehicles, including foreign and domestic, passenger cars, light trucks, and motorhomes. We offer ASC certified technicians who go the distance to make sure you have peace of mind while driving. We are located in the city of Shasta Lake, right off Interstate 5 at 3165 Twin View Boulevard. Our phone number is 530-768-1050. Check us out on Facebook at R&R Auto Truck Repair. We would be glad to have you as one of our customers. Thank you.